In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view site history on Wix Studio. If you've ever wanted to see exactly what changed on your site and when, this feature is your best friend. It's perfect for tracking edits, understanding how a design evolved, or simply reassuring yourself that you can look back at previous versions whenever you need to. First, open Wix Studio and head to the top left corner of the screen. You'll see the Wix Studio icon there. Click it to open the main workspace menu. This menu is where you can access key tools related to your site, so it's a handy place to get familiar with if you aren't already. From that menu, select Site. This brings up options specifically related to the site you're working on. Next, choose Site History. That's the dedicated area where Wix Studio keeps a chronological record of your site's revisions. Once you're in Site History, you'll see a list of revisions along with their timestamps. Think of this as a timeline of your site's life. Each entry represents a saved version, typically created when significant changes were made. The timestamps help you quickly find the point in time you're interested in, whether you're tracing a recent tweak or exploring an older layout. To understand what changed, click on any revision to preview it. The preview lets you inspect that version without affecting your current live or draft site. Take a moment to look through pages, layouts, and content in the preview so you can confirm you found the right point in time. If you're working on a team, the context of the timestamps can also help you match changes to a work session or sprint, making collaboration clearer. A couple of quick tips as you browse: use the timestamps as a guide to narrow your search, especially if you remember the day or time a change was made. Previewing is a safe way to review past content before making any decisions in your current build. And when you're done looking at a preview, simply close it to return to the revision list and continue exploring. That's all there is to it. By clicking the Wix Studio icon at the top left, selecting Site, and then Site History, you gain a clear window into your site's past. With the revision list and timestamps, plus the ability to preview each version, you can confidently review how your site has evolved and keep your workflow organized and efficient.